Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of PeopleCraft with Milin, where we explore how people strategy can help your business strategies. Today's topic is really interesting. Let's talk about why do so many business owners get frustrated with human resources? Why do founders and even experienced ones often says that HR slows things down? They always talk policies. They don't understand business. Let's be honest, the frustration is real. But it's not because business owners don't care about people, and it's not because HR is doing a bad job. It's usually because we are not working in sync. So today, let's dig into top reasons why the disconnect happens and how we can fix it together. So the reason number one is HR talks in policy language and founders think in outcomes. Let's say a founder says that this newly hired person is just not working out for us. Can we let him go? The traditional HR may reply saying that according to the clause number ABC of our employee handbook, they are entitled to a return notice of X number of days. Now, that's not wrong. But to the business owner, it sounds like friction and not support. So, what is the fix? Just reframe the language. Say something like, since they are in probation, we can exit with a 7-day notice without any legal complications. I'll handle the paperwork right away. Want me to initiate the process and close it ASAP? Now, this statement is business first and it is backed by compliance. Another example, the business owner says, let's hire that freelancer today to meet the client's deadline. Instead of raising risk flags immediately, the HR should say that, sure, I'll draft a short freelancer agreement to protect us legally, and you will have it in your inbox within 20 minutes. Did you see what just happened? It's the same policy but with more business ready approach. So that was reason number one. The reason number two is HR builds systems too big too soon. Business owners love efficiency, but sometimes human resource professional builds structure meant for 200 people in a company of 20 people. Like a 5-step appraisal process for a team that barely has a team lead. So what is the fix? The fix is design just enough systems. So instead of complex reviews, start with monthly 15 minutes one-to-one using just 3 questions. Question number 1, what did you accomplish? Question number 2, where do you get stuck? And question number 3, what support do you need? So instead of policy manuals, make a one-pager called How We Work Here. Simple values, work hours, and code of conduct. One founder told me this alone saved 8 hours of week in confusion. So that was reason number 2. Reason number 3, that HR at times avoids tough conversations but business owners cannot. This is a big one. Founders are often dealing with underperformance, culture issues, and internal politics. So what is the fix? The fix is be the founder's thinking partner. So if you are let's say if you're an HR notices low performers, you can tell them that, or you can tell the business owner that, for an example, that I have tracked 3 missed deadlines and a drop in a delivery commitment by an ex-employee. Want me to initiate a performance conversation with him? Or as an HR, if you hear some conflicts within a team, you may want to go and talk to the business owner saying that there is a friction between person A and person B. It's affecting the morale of the team. Want me to mediate before it becomes that big that it may go out of control? Trust is built when HR shows up and offer solutions before the business owner asks them to do so. And now a quick note to business owners as well. If you are a founder or a business owner watching this video, here is something important for you as well. HR can be a growth accelerator. If you give them space, hear them, and involve them in your organization level decisions. Weekly 15 minutes sync up meeting with your HR lead can prevent bad hires, legal headaches, and team burnouts. So don't just loop HR when there is a fire. Involve them while you are building the fire station. So here are some key takeaways. This key takeaways are for all HR professionals and the founders out there. So the first one is founders want speed and clarity, HR wants structure and fairness, and both of them want to build something that lasts for a long. So next time there is a frustration, let's not go into defensive mode, let's go into alignment mode. Because when HR and business work with each other, not against each other, they create magic. If this episode's made you think, hit that like button and subscribe to PeopleCraft with Milin. If you found this useful, you can share it in your network. Thanks for watching PeopleCraft with Milin, where people strategy becomes the business strategy. Thank you.